exclusive. This is on a day when the Mumbai 1993 blast verdict has been pronounced by the court, and now comes the proof of how the conspirator of 1993 Mumbai blast, Dawood Ibrahim, is not dead. He is very much alive. He is very much in Pakistan. This is India Today investigation, which has shred the last fig leaf used by Pakistan to shield the man responsible for the deaths of hundreds of Indians. Dawood, in fact, is living in a posh villa in upscale Karachi. Here's a full report. Take a look.
Up in smoking ruins. More than 250 dead and over 700 wounded. But the architect of this coordinated disaster, crime lord Dawood Ibrahim, is still enjoying a high life hiding in Pakistan. Yes, you heard it right. This underworld don, one of the most dangerous in the world, is very much alive. Speculation swirled around past weeks that the mafia don died from multiple ailments. But India Today has scotched these rumors. Highly placed intelligence sources have confirmed that Dawood Ibrahim is alive and in Pakistan. India's intelligence establishment has obtained clinching evidence that this ringleader of global terror has recovered successfully from a surgery. Top intelligence sources told India Today that Dawood Ibrahim attended a secret hush-hush party at the sprawling mansion of former cricketer Javed Miandad in Karachi as early as April 19. Yes, he showed up at Miandad's villa for a party on April 19. Remember, Dawood's daughter Maruk is married to Miandad's son Junaid. And the April 19 party was organized by Junaid himself. This stunning confirmation of Dawood Ibrahim being alive aside, new evidence suggests that the ISI has also stepped up his security cover.
Fresh intelligence input suggests Dawood is now protected by three-layered security ring, headed by his trusted hitman Javed Chikna, while outer ring is managed by ISI and local police.
Hold on. There's nothing random about this new security detail. The measure came after the D company suspected a breach. A breach by a Filipino nurse attending to sick Dawood. The D company hired this Filipino medical aide from a corporate hospital in Dubai for her to take care of Dawood, down with multiple health issues. Intelligence sources have told India Today that the nurse is now missing. Her whereabouts are not known since the news about the Don's illness has come out in the media.
Mafia Don Dawood Ibrahim suspected that his Filipino nurse was leaking information to Indian agencies, and she has now been removed from his house, and it is not known what happened to her.
For now, the man running an international syndicate of crimes from terror, drugs, contract killing to forged currency continues to enjoy Pakistani patronage. Manjeet Negi for India Today.
So Dawood Ibrahim is alive. The murderer of 257 people of 1993 Mumbai serial blast is attending a party. And this is the latest one that he attended on April 19th, according to high-level sources to India Today of Javed Miandad. His daughter is married to Javed Miandad's son as well, and Dawood continues to live in Karachi. A big slap in the face of Pakistan as well, which has so far denied Dawood's presence on its soil. In fact, today only it's an historic day because there's been a verdict in the 1993 Mumbai serial blast case. Dawood's aide Abu Salim and 5 others have been convicted by Tada Court in Mumbai One accused, Qayyum Ansari, has been acquitted. The court also called Abu Salem the main conspirator and convicted him for conspiracy charge. Mustafa Dosa has also been found guilty of supplying arms and ammunition and sending youths to Pakistan for training. The accused, who was acquitted, Abdul Qayyum, was the manager of Dawood Ibrahim's office in Dubai.
It's the success of the society and the trust which is reposed by the society in the judicial system. That's all. There is substantial evidence. There is confessions, then the recovery of the goods, that recovery of the arms and ammunition, then RDX and the panchanamas to that effect. We have proved whatever we could, and therefore we will ask for the maximum punishment which is prescribed in law.
So 6 of the 7 accused have been convicted. The quantum of punishment is to be heard out on June 20th now. But is this bringing a sense of closure to the people who witnessed the deadly bomb blast in 1993 in Mumbai? The multiple blasts that took place in Mumbai. My colleague Shivangi visited one of the locations in Zaveri Bazaar today. Take a look.
Right now we are here at Mumbai's Zaveri Bazaar, and this place is one of the places where 1993 bomb blast happened. One of the places where 1993 serial bomb blast, where a series of 12 bomb explosion took place in Mumbai on 12th March. Around 257 people died and around 700 people got injured in this bomb blast. And today all accused have been acquitted under a waging war against the nation. It's a big day for every Mumbaikar who faced this bomb blast, and all the accused in this case are guilty now. With camera person Vaibhav, Shivangi Thakur, India Today, Mumbai.